Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, April 23rd. So, guys, you can't sleep on this market. You can see we were generally in a consolidation trend here in the morning. Market made a move, broke the previous day's high, put in a new high almost at 71.50. We had a nice pullback to that initial range from this morning. And this is your lunchtime period right here from 71, right around 71.30. Now, all of a sudden, we get this update. And the markets take a dive just after 1 o'clock. Iran's parliament speaker has resigned from the negotiating team. That took the air out of the market. We went from basically 71.32 and we broke 7100. On our way down here, we're right now 71.85. My gosh. And that is basically almost a 50-point move. And this is a strong directional trend. Right here, you might think, well, how would I take advantage of that? Well, first of all, it broke the morning range here at 71.15, and that would get you to a move down to 71.02, 03. That's yesterday's low. And then if you continue to hold, there was a flag, got to 7100, broke that. Now you're 70.88. So if you, at minimum, you could have entered here at 71.15. And that would have been resulting in a $28 move as of right now. You could have taken partial profits at 71.02, and then here's 7100, and then 71.90. So that right there, again, that's almost a 30-point move. That is $1,500 a contract, and that's even if you didn't catch it from the initial move down. Okay? You had 5 minutes, notice it, catch it right here, write it down, and all the way lower. Okay? So I don't know how negative that reaction is. It seems like it's just one person that resigned from the team. It does probably make it less likely that we're going to get anything accomplished. And this is after the Iranian Republican Guard sounds like was being disruptive to the negotiations, so the speaker left. So either way, market's reacting poorly. Be careful if you're in any sort of bullish trade this afternoon. Okay? Thanks a lot.